Hi sewing friends, Love Notions Ambassador Cynthia here on Textile Tuesday to introduce this month's featured fabric resource, Surge Fabric Shop. Follow along with me as I go shopping. I appreciate how organized the site is and how easy it is to find what you need for your project. Are you looking for what's new in the shop? Check out the new arrivals. Do you just want to browse the fabric selections by type? They are neatly organized and easy to find. You can also use the handy search feature to jump right to a particular fabric. Today, I am interested in sewing up some spring and summer staples in the new Fabulism line. This line features so many unique prints and designs that coordinate well with each other as well as other fabrics in the shop. I'm especially interested in these adorable daisies. They come in a variety of colors, but I really like the daisies in mint julep. I'm going to add these to my cart, so stay tuned to see what I sew up. My fabric is here. As you can see, I have two colorways of the daisies, the Luxor linen and rolled oats, and the everyday chambray in clay pot. Now, what patterns to use? I think the lyric pattern and the peplum would be lovely in the daisies, along with the allegros in either the everyday chambray or the Luxor linen, or maybe the Tinley skirt in the clay pot everyday chambray. Or I could do the Melody Dolman with the bottoms from the Luna Loungewear. So, what did I make? Here's the big reveal. I had so much fun, and I hope you'll take advantage of the Textile Tuesday discount from Surge Fabric Shop.